everybody. Welcome to the Saturday night show with Counselor Perfect. Hello, welcome everybody to the Saturday night show with Counselor Perfect. Welcome to the Saturday night show with Counselor Perfect, your number one counselor. Yes, we have been to our various workplaces. We have traveled, we have gone far, and we have come near. It's time to give God praise, to worship Him, to give Him adoration for everything that He has done for us. He has been good to us. Yes, our Savior has been good. Our Savior has been wonderful to us. We need to give Him that praise. We need to give Him that adoration. He deserves it. He alone deserves our praise. So today we are asking God to surround us. He should surround us with His praise. He should surround us with His protection. He should surround us. If God is around you, the devil can't get access to your life. So today, all what we are praying for, all what we are asking, all what we are requesting is that God should surround Himself. God should surround us with His blessings, with His praise. Yes. Let's listen to the music. God's presence should fill this place, yes. Fill this place. Let your presence fill this. So if God surrounds you with His what? Presence, everything that you do will be successful. If He's ever for you, who will be against you? Say, we are more than overcomers. We are more than conquerors. Yes. Omwa echa eshia yehono. Say, radibe biyeweni ama we hua. Ankabon se omo kan yehono. Omo dosu chin omo ni yen ekono. Tamne Elisha nkofo ba ne so sanka omo ne na koa gezi eba be kun omo ba be sey omo no omo be kun tokwa no gezi de mika ka kire odifo ne say omo twaye nda ne hu ina ehia ye be de yedwane ye be den no ka kire ne say erade bie weni ne wo hu omo a host of angels omo twaye hu ehia person omo boye ho ban a anka wonso you not be afraid. So my dear, believe this and have this in thought that omua etwehia ho no obofu erade dia ma wo abofu erade dia ma so mo bo ho ban no omodo so chin satanfo na yo moteti wu no satanfo bi no sa ni pebi no ayenu dua ya obroni no hinta bi echi oye okobrunsio no okohunu nsio no ewetifi na waba na afo bebisa say hwani fo no ina no say omo say what it sankofo ni nyina no erade si yenje omo nyemo omo kan hyen kodu erade kan ye hu ide we are more than overcomers. So just minia to adwindwini bigu for mugu bolem, leave them alone. And what you also have to know is ade bia wo ya eyeye no ni penisa ni oso takrache. Yes, ni penisa ni oso takrache. Nti wo ya de na nkofo kan hu bebria na eche se na wo ye na eye nti koso na ye. Na so boni bi na wudi sister boni bi na wudi obi kru ota ho fe na hwe na enye so dia misrew na we jai. So today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Yes, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. I hope you like it. And yes, today we are going to discuss what men want during sex. What men want during sex. Yes. Yeah. Last we have discussed sex in marriage. We have also discussed what foreplay, intimacy, sex in marriage. You know, when to me any just check. Yes, go through my account. Perfect Counsel's Network. So you can check it out. Just have what we discussed. It's going to help. Yeah, sex in marriage. Yes, we have discussed that. We have also discussed some sort of for foreplay. Into what went to go to Perfect Counsel's Network. Perfect Counsel's Network on Facebook. Like my page. Elaine. Suyadio na yesa. What's one side chick biaji? And you know. Then so then yama way no. Today our network is giving me a sermon, but still, Vim Day. Vim Day. We are going to discuss it. I keep on speeding. Full blow. If you want a man to give it to you full blow, what are some of the things you have to do? What men want during sex? Yes, from ladies. It's who your bema besuebi. I'm sure I need to make a crowd and one is a warrior. Besuebi. We are basuna, oh, yena, yama, oh, yeno, sono, and ye no name, Masha. Well, say, ooh, in Yama, oh, yena, yes, I net. Mr. Onen, would be a good to whom you polish up so that we all have what? Enjoy our sex in what? In marriage. And what we are discussing is strictly for what? Couples. Is strictly for marriage. Into what trimp now, Mr. Wemedia Poibi and found Koyabone, Mr. Wonka. Yes. So let's go straight to our discussion. What men want during sex? What men want during sex? Background music, no wood any kakanka. What men want during sex? Welcome to the Saturday Night Show with Counselor Perfect. Yes, so as I said, today we are going to discuss what men want during sex. So during sex, a lot of things happen. Yes. So now we know what sex is, what God even wants us to do during sex. Yes. A radio per sex, so nene jeho. I actually rather the shower for. So mo fan gio money. No mo san so enfan one shasa si suma. Inti sa unye ni ye me dofo. Suane ye ni ye wate. Ni san so sia foreplay. Foreplay no ye eniama se woni ni pakon e be hia bedim pamu agora. Eniama bi a chesa wo ye. Agora chesa woni ni pakoni di. Na wo srebo no. Na no so srebo. And then now the one safa ha. Now the safa ha. No no shera ha. No mwesi ha. Aha ansana. So whom sawom na ba no. Eno ene foreplay. And also yaka ho asem. Intimacy so wan hwe bia. Check Perfect Counsels Network. Like my page. You be siandio. Minia, you be siandia. Just like my page. Let us grow. And share this video. Share it. Let others also what? Get to know. My NCS Yawari. Share it. After watching it, click on the share. Share it for others too. Nana Alfred, God bless you. Bless you more, my dear. More grace. More grace to you too, sweetheart. Thanks for always tuning in. And we go straight to the point. What men want during sex. Inyama baby or why mama yo mon come asemo. Bema baby na kuma mu panchi oba no na chese odo oba na ma. Onim so oba na some oba ka kire no no on to tonase ansa na wa ka kire oba. E ma de on say ende ye pekasa. Ende ade kwa we kwa wanye ni ye ende na yaka. Ba mema de e hwe mu sa na irade bo mu. Nti se wutumi hu inyama mema pa. Nti so mu no kompemu a obetimi aye ni ye na de bia na ni aka wani mu. Sa wo yoba na utumi sua san na maniam wo ya. Ukuna de obefu wo chida. Ampa is guaranteed. Na me ka cho. Sa utumi yesa we na be man hu say wutu kura ni mu ya. Baby onem bia na wadwu woni ti no say Counselor Perfect ni, Bella ni, Elom ni. De bia o ka say me I'm going back home. I'm going home. Sa oba no ko nya chance. So they young go straight. Me say share. Yes, if you like this, please share for me. So the first one is first thing I just want to say, men, sex is always on their mind. Yes. And men, they always think about sex, if you like it or not. Yes, they always think about sex. Inti Andre say mi kunu ma ware no, na ende de na why timetable amano. Sister, wo ha be ma ne kwa. Timetable na why ama okunu no. Wo ha no, say ende de kwesi ade be ye uku ada de na yaye. We do it on Sunday, we are going to do it on Wednesday, then Friday. My dear, throw that timetable away. Away. Pam. Throw it away. Omu here timetable. Mesra, eba be sha no kon ho allow him. Now remember here timetable. And some men, if you give them morning, you give them afternoon, give them evening. Oh, I find this out Pedro, they will like it. And whatever I'm telling you today is what I've researched from high-minded guys. Doctors for more, PhD holders, PhD doctors, for medical doctors, from teachers, lawyers, and research I've done. I'm talking from what I've learned, my research, what I've also learned from my personal experience with my dear husband. And once I'm make a tree, into Mr. Before to go to home, and Cassan make a no crap, and no crap, and be some man. What the man are no pa, ewia or anumre be bi wo ko yare kra wa yare na wa say o yare malaria no kra what do ho kwa obesan so. So men love sex. They want sex. It's always on their mind. That's when they are driving and they see that cute ass girl. And so also driving son, no, yeah, they know her, not telling change. No, pushing it here. It's always on their mind. When they see that girl wearing that nice heavy dress, na be jina ni trim. E jina ni timo nya bone o hwebi. Inti wo ya na ire no. Fama no. So si opa fama no. Emfa nkame no. Tresem kra say, Tresem say, men fire ho enkame ye ho. Inti for ho enkamu kunu. So first no say member per sex. Whether they are morning, ni mama ewu, ni papa ewu, o tinisuo pa, na so no fire ne dia oba wo di siesia na aye den ne dia farmer ne fire the same thing say when your contract we really contract ni nani age na obefia he want to fire the same thing say eba no aye stress edwuma mu ha no na say wiase ni na ha na sa ka me kwampo na chese o de tata no na yi na adwen fi ne haw ne na mane ne so inti men want sex every day inti timetable na oba wa drama wukuno no they don't want. The network is giving me a little bit HSN problem here, but still, Vim Day. So throw that calendar away. Start timetable now. Why am so and then Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Mr. Throw it away. M1. Whenever he wants it, give it to him. Wherever he wants it, give it to him. Yes. So during sex, men don't like restrictions. Men them me or china menye na yo then them mama fa we kwan to her me about their train kakra. No. Remember the pon kwana te praga. Don't do that. So the first one is you must know that sex is on their mind. Ni na ka hunti na wakoware wa befi. Inti se eba na ohia so no wuhia. Jai say excuses na ya wo de me mano no. Emboa ubeya manako baby fofo. And men like variety. Once I am Bimuka say would di inquire back a funnel, inquire back with the funnel. Minia ba, so okay, I start take a cast answer no make it funny comment to crab back off no crab back off. No, just say one casano and your one and shall who through no. Stars now who you know. Well, stars now we know send your warrior when your man a yard no. They be a missionary, bomb send you munkwan. Stars be brave or wow, Nelson so with the next star now. Feeling is different. Star beyond feelings, Nisenia a organs ni share. Send if I be hit G spot no. Oh, crown any better so missionary position no. Why be a Mr. Bomia send you no what bona send you my yes who ye was Osrel Samano. Stars baby. So missionary style is there. Any bomia send you no. We have what cowgirl. Cowgirl is when you sit on it and ride into ponko. Cowgirl into what's not ponko no so now wow trip ponko the gri and a cowgirl no. Yeah, what reverse cowgirl? Reverse cowgirl is a ponko no. Who shall anymore? We do a chimbom and a channel. We do a chishan and a reverse cowgirl. Fanny now for count and then maybe we will come to the sexual position ankasa and roll the back on 9 o'clock and Kalani 180. And we also have what? Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Oh, send a wheelbarrow here no. Aha. It will hooking I know. Ni na can also spice things up. One position no yeah was scissors. Oh, send a password here no. Aha, no the trap. Ni na can we also have what? The doggy star. Doggy star there are things and money there. Okay, your move favorite too. Doggy star. Now they are near papa be wa be tobeless bees. And when near Kosoma near papa be near guso. Na mo ya any budget. In kwa bako no na ya wo ni awu ye nti sa wo sense se mu mana e mane mfono no. And one thing you have to know is men, they like is the spice of life. That's why they follow football. They want to conquer, right? So allow them to conquer. Allow them to conquer you. Neja is chiches ni I say nya meya na menye binu. No, they are not cut for that. Men want to be raw. So allow him what? And change positions. Change positions. You can be in control. You can also be in control. You can ride him. He can also ride you. Let him feel that. Parkway, it still depends on how stressful the career of the man is. Some careers even make some men Flee from too many sex. Yes, that one is true. Because some careers you need what bread, why is stress? I get you. I get your point. Yes. So if you are stressed out and you are worn out, you can't, because it's an energy thing. It's like when you release, it's like what 2 miles. So if you are not in for it, your energy level is down. It's best you don't, because it even have health implications. But you are willing to go through that. Your wife should not prevent you. If it's not during her menses or she's sick, she should allow you to have her. Yes, I like that. Thank you. And we also say that, you know what, we have quickies, we have fast and furious, we have the thorough, we have the mild. So mash everything up. You can have the quickie in a week, sometimes a month's time. You can change the places. You can have fast and furious, that is you go in all out, right, on the person. You can have the thorough, that's why you take your time from the head to the toe. You can mash everything up. So don't make it boring. Spice things up. Make it, what I'm saying is, you get it. In quite back of no, as a way at the monotony, near way na way. In Tama de Biam say ya and me babenya. But we your bad. Spice things up. Change it. When I will crush you, no. You are the madam of the house. When I work can be a woman. So change it. And then no scissors never call. Oh, I want this, I want that. Snake I can't cano. Nene niaji. Today piano. Oh, him said my wife is there for me. My wife is going to be spontaneous. Be spontaneous. Don't let somebody else say yeah no, but no. Be spontaneous with it, and they love it. And what you have to know is, all men have fantasies. Yes, all men have fantasies. So know the fantasy of the man you are married to and try to fulfill it, and they will love you. All men have fantasies. Some have fantasy of dressing up like a bartender. Some have fantasies of maybe being a teacher. So maybe the person had a crush on the teacher way back in school. So when you dress up like that for them, you are fulfilling a fantasy, that hidden fantasy what's in them. Some also have that fantasy. Know the fantasy, right? Some also like the beach, right? He wants something natural. So whatever the fantasy of your guy is, try to fulfill that fantasy. If you allow him to fulfill his fantasies with you, his craziness with you, you allow him to be himself, right? To try new things with you, that will not hurt you. He's always going to be your number one fan. He's always going to be there for you. And you are say, check bang, or sign check number. Allow him to have his fantasies. Talk to him. You know, sex is also about communication. You can fulfill the fantasy if you only know what he wants. So talk more. And what I also want to say about fantasy is, as a woman, you also have your fantasy. So communicate it to him. Men enjoy themselves during sex, yes. On Asia, and he wants to feel that what he's doing, we're enjoying it. You appreciate him, right? So with the fantasies that you have, communicate it to your partner. Let your partner also understand that this is my fantasy. I like it when you kiss me in the rain. I like it when you walk like empty streets. I like it when you are cool with our internet. So talk to him. Let him know what your fantasies, and take it from there. And one thing is, as I said, men like it when their wife enjoy what they are doing. So enjoy him, right? Mourn, yes, mourn. Mano, mourn, whine yourself, tune into him, right? Get close to him, hug him, pull him. Some even like one said that, yes, it's me who is doing that. Her legs are shaking. It's me who is causing that. Like, mourn, get into him. Let him enjoy whatever you do, right? You have orgasm. Don't hide it. Let him know how many orgasms he's giving you. He will know that, yes, I'm the guy. I'm your boss. No, I'm creating that earthquake in her, right? So let them know. Mourn. And mostly we say that even if it's not even hitting the jackpot, the more you mourn, the more you just do it, push harder. You give him that encouragement. You see, encouragement are like air, right, to the soul. It expands us. It makes us breathe. It takes us higher. The same thing is when you talk, when you mourn, when you direct him, right. It boosts his what performance. It makes him what to perform more, right? You know that I'm killing it, so let me kill everything, right? And yes, I'm doing a good job, so let me continue. So yeah, now we need Jinhua. Mourn. Don't hold back. You know, a lot of people think I want to be a good girl, so I'm holding back. I will not talk. I will not do not the whole thing. I say yeah. Bibia, so we are where we no, I'm sorry. No, that is not the best. Mourn. Let him feel the impact that he's doing something good to you. Right? We're enjoying it, and he's also enjoying himself. And one thing I've heard is from the research I did, I talked to one guy and he was like, if the wife does that, it's like a light switch, like, and it's make him even to do more. It make him to also get what orgasm. Yes, the men also get what orgasm, not just ejaculation. No, some get orgasms like that heightened sensation. Yes, they also get it, and it's like he said, it's like a light switch when the woman does that for him. You understand? So ladies, if we're not doing that, please start doing that. Let your man feel what he's doing, that he's performing. Let him know that he's doing something good to you. You understand? Appreciate him. And one thing you have to know is during sex, men also like what? Women who touch them. Yes, touch them. Request for sex. It's a great turn on. And I asked, right? All of them said it's a turn on for them. They feel it. They like it. If they are ladies, like ask for sex from them. Like the lady want them. If the lady requests that today, dear, bra, where you be fear, Annie, baby, sweetie, and go friend a bra, on your bra. First of all, your bra. Now it's when you're a sister. Sorry, Annie, baby, today, dear, and then the best request for it. When you request for it, they like it. And it just, if you can't say it, it's about how you do it, right? How you tag the person, how you smudge yourself against the person will realize that my wife wants me to do something to her. And they'll what? Deliver. So, your bar and fan show. Sometimes, no problem, you don't feel for it. But you see that your husband is. So ask for sex. Direct him. And when he's doing it and he's performing, give him compliments. And direct him. No, touch my hair. No, I like it here. Right? During sex, they want you to talk, communicate with them, right? Because some of them talk, some don't talk. It's because you don't talk. When you start talking, you start directing him, you start mourning, you start what? Initiating sex. They like it. So during sex too, men like it if ladies what? Initiate sex. Yes. And one other thing is they like their women to be confident. During sex, they want to see you up, to be of yourself. Be confident. You di. Omo ju yendi o. Ope na o hoye ne fe. Enti ana mani nyina oja obi abefa wo. Saga na no ka ne so sa no. Otwetwe ne le ototo nyama chiche no, efrefre no, obi abie no homa no krado anfi no. Odinesi no parking. Na wa ba wa show ka wa papa bi. Enti mesrew Sadeni hiawa, aya catcher and star branch and do me good. He will do you good, and he'll be happy that you asked for it. And he wants you to be confident. Opel, intana worry. Into Sanya Manyama ne Koni Nasa, what would any Yamasi said? Your husband loves you and likes you just as you are. So show off to him. Before no, let him see what God wants endowed you with. Also, your body, dear air, beautiful tree, I will feed you. Mani win Yamasine rather born. Be confident in your skin and doom lights now found to me crew now with the end them person where they are Indiana. So be a bibia so many who be open. Manu who said that to be who picture where they are media into be a bibia manu who. Yes, let them know you. Be open. Whatever is wrong with you, discuss it with them. Yes, they like their ladies to be open during sex. Be open. Be confident. Do you so bet me? What see me? What pen no so per winter no worry. Until then, I would see. Be confident about yourself. You are beautiful. So, in summing everything up, today we are talking about what men want during sex. And we are saying that men love it. Men like sex. Men love sex. Yes, in marriage. We are talking about marriage, not about any other relationship. No. What trimp na mpacho won't come. We are talking about marriage here. So if you are married to the guy, if it's not he's sick, and as an edument no onya dajuni energy level ni low, and he requests for it, give it to him. Sa calendar na when na hihye no embwa. Send there Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, throw that calendar away. Sorry. Throw that calendar away. Let him have access to you whenever he wants to have access to you. Not during your menses. That one they know that. Then we also said that you should spice things up. Variety is the spice of life. So the positions no change them. But me send the missionary position no check. Adam ni if kra no. Anhwe na enyo no mo ye. Nti sa missionary star na wa ya but me send them no. Me so tuelugu cowgirl. Cowgirl ni your bar no so na all riding ponkono. And we have reverse cowgirl. What do we actual ponkono boom now all riding? We have scissors, yes, apaswo na we try. We have wheelbarrow, what jacking no. We have what doggy style, which most men like, right? Yes, because it hit the G spot. So do it. Put what one in your papebi for gugu sister so. Nice body scent and not one place. Sex is not only in the what bedroom. Bedroom near have your signature in every place. Bathroom, right? In the shower, you can have it. On the toilet seat, you can have it. In the kitchen, living room, dining table. Spice things up. Don't let it be monotonous. Like monotonous. So they say ya na abna de obeyo. Say ya na abna de bomb ya sendromo. Say ya na abna beyo de bi mesro abna sister. Spice things up. So give him different styles, give him what? Different locations, different what positions. If you know Muhammadia into how they saying. You get it? And we also say that men have fantasies. Men have things that they want to do. And in maybe I'll share a movie so in maybe our own no crash you and that's sending any pacono art. In maybe a one it's you understand? So hidden fantasy no. Mr. Also in Christo for your fantasies. You know, one thing is people think sex is sin, it's sinful. So certain things and there be mayor bonnet. No, it's a big no. Sex is not sin. It's if you don't have it in marriage that makes sex what sin. But in marriage, it's not sin. It's rather a gift what from God. Into who yeah. Don't be shy about it. That is your fantasy. Yes. So let's do it with your wife. Tell your wife the fantasy. Oba bisa okunu. Na okwa fantasy ni saying, e dey mpa na odwen ho sanka wunya pa nka weni bedi. No be catch you. Eh anka dress say prostitute bisa wakeka weni mpa na ojina we hill so pa na wo twigi mame. You get it and learn it and do it for him. And you see the results. And we again say that I again said that he's having it with you, you must be in tune with it. Oh yeah, no, Emma Wadri Enko baby. He wants to see that you are enjoying what he's doing. Yes, he's giving it to you. He's hammering it. He's pushing. So it was also when that was oh yeah, where we now what sorry we are going to watch that. No, you understand? JJ Homano. Oh, Sano JJ man winning yada and yam na me beke bibi. Me na me akola pow. One good girl pet. So you get it. Spice things up. JJ Homano, let him what feel it. Please, did I'm not seeing your comment, so drop the comment. If you have any question, ask me. If what I'm saying you like it, please give the likes and share. Give the likes and share. Please, if you like it, give me the likes and share. Let's reach others too, right? We are learning something here. Yes, this is Counselor Perfect on a Saturday night show. The only show on what? Facebook that we talk about what real issue. We are real. Pain, yes, in pain. Yankata bibiaho. We are helping you, right? So relationships ni ko year. If you ko year, sana safunu be ko year, community be ko year, Ghana so be fan into my paper. So we are learning. And this series is on sex. So we want to dissect it. We are having sex, yes. So touch him. Let him know that what you are enjoying what he's doing. Mourn, whine for him. What's this, wine for him. Show what your mama gave you. Give it to him. Let him what? Enjoy you. And direct him. And it's not what you want. Direct him. What the first say yeah, they want you to be vocal, they want you to talk. But just like Kasakesio, there be soft voice, mourn and directing, and The last thing I said is you need to be of yourself. Don't fake things. Lady, when you are faking, they know. Sadia no I hate ya na wu ye de na wu ye I'm coming there dear ben they know. So say should watch me. Please don't fake it. So be confident. Know yourself. Be confident about yourself. And he's your man, he's your husband, right? So you being confident about yourself will help you to give in to him as he wants it. So today this is what we discuss. What men want during sex. They want to spice things up. Sex is on their mind. Don't assume otherwise. Give them variety. They have fantasy. Fulfill that fantasy for them. Enjoy the sex with them. Talk, mourn, whine for them, and ask for sex. Initiate sex. And yes, they don't know chase you around. Sometimes chase him around too. Let that counts. And be confident about yourself. Be yourself in the bedroom, and he will be happy. He will ever be yours. Right? A nice marriage, and enjoy your sex life in marriage. It's part of it, right? Pray more for God's guidance in your marriage, but don't because the more you are in tune together, the more you love each other, the more you build upon your sexual relationship and your communication skills and other things, fundamental things about marriage, right? Attributes of marriage. You make your marriage. Let's be the beacon of hope. Most people think that marriage are not working. They are giving up on marriage. They want to be baby mamas. They want to have their careers and ignore marriage. But please, as Christians, let's try to make people know the goodness that is in marriage. Let's try to build ourselves up. Let's try to show people that marriage still works. Marriages are still working. We have good marriages around. So all the best. Please share, like it and share. Share on your platform, share on your profile, share to others. Let others also enjoy this. We are having the sex series. We are having sex series. So please come join us and let's have sex. This is Counselor Perfect on the Saturday night show. So let's enjoy some music from them. Ade. I let you fall in love. I know she's wanting me. I get strength, me I get energy, more than me. What do you want? What do you need?